This is an iced tea maker by the Whistling Kettle. It's an exclusive product. And what makes this interesting is that we included a lot of extras that no other iced tea maker has. The main chamber is made of borosilicate glass. It can withstand hot and ice temperatures, but it also has recipes. So if you're making iced tea, black, green, herbal, even chai lattes or fruit tisanes, it's going to tell you exactly how much tea to use, what temperature water to use, and tells you exactly how to do it. All the instructions are here, so it makes things very easy. And included with this is a stainless steel infuser. Notice how large it is because it's going to allow the tea to expand properly for all the amount of water that we're going to use. And today we're going to make some green tea, green strawberry green tea. So I'm going to follow the directions and add the amount of tea that is needed. And then we're going to add our hot water. And I'm going to fill it right up to the line. All right. And then using 185-degree water, and then I'm going to set this for 3 minutes. Let this steep, and we'll be back. All right. Once that's done, pull the leaves out. And then pour in some ice water. And we're ready to serve. Cheers.